What's going on?
いけないのいけないの普通は
Having dinner with my friends at this restaurant. The idea is that you go fishing and right in the shop, and then they will cook it for you in different ways. So that is
còn lại lùi đây chắc là cái câu nhá mình là chơi tí
makes it too smart. Gotcha!
皆さんでお写真撮られます
thật mà cá thì câu đây nó đuôi nó còn quẩy này, anh phải quay vào này này
như thế này nó quay quay này phải biết đây là căn tô kia là kiêu siêu mày thích
kiêu siêu hơn
siêu là phải số 1
I'm not sure what's going on, but everyone is waiting for something. Maybe some introduction to something. Not sure. What? What's going on?
gì đấy
Someone famous. Not sure what's going on. In this area, it is called Kappabashi. It is a big shopping area. Basically, it's everything about the kitchen, professional or home kitchen. So whether you're a chef or just a home cook or just a foodie who are into food, you should come here and go explore this area. Just watch all of this stuff and I make a whole video for you guys. Lunch at Yoshinoya, which is a very popular food chain in Japan. So they are popular because they offer really cheap prices, but the quality is really good. And I'm a fan of this place just because of the eel rice, unagi. And it's probably the cheapest unagi don you can find in Japan at 750 yen for just the rice only and 820 yen for a set. Looks so damn good. Can you pass me a chopstick? So happy. Morning. I'm playing tourist today, so we are going to the Imperial Palace. But on our way here, we just found this beautiful looking park, and I just don't want to move. I'm not the only one here though. Everyone here seems to be so lazy and enjoying themselves. This is the meeting point between new and old. So this is the Imperial Palace where the king lives, and this is a new office building. There's a big line waiting to buy the entrance ticket. Just realized that this tour is full. So apparently you have to book in advance. So there's no chance that I can go in the palace today. Even though you don't enter the palace, this area is really worth visiting because it is so spacious, so big, such a breeze from the busy Tokyo life. Hey, I'm at Izakaya place, so it's equal to quán nhậu in Vietnam, where people go to drink and have more cheers to eat. So I'm here thanks to this my friend Noah's recommendation.
This is a really classic salaryman Biman hangout. A lot of people come here right after work. It's Izakaya food, so mostly small plates, things you can snack on, and the beers are 199 yen each. Best karaage in town.
Okay, this dish just arrived and it is raw horse meat. So it's really nice. This is chicken sashimi, raw chicken. Japan is probably the only country where you can eat raw chicken legally. It's really good.